health didn't really mean anything to me. Before I came to Ayurveda, when I got diagnosed with PCOS, for example, like there wasn't really, they weren't really able to tell me anything rather than, we don't know what's going on, it's just maybe it's the environment. We don't really know much about that condition. And it got me really frustrated because I wanted to really know what was going on with me. And they did tell me to lose weight. So, that's what I did. And then I got really obsessed with, just being healthy. But I was actually doing way too much. And so that wasn't sustainable at all for me. I just, I found out that I was having other health issues or other symptoms, and it just wasn't working. When I came to Ayurveda, I was pretty fed up, I would say. I wasn't getting that freedom that I thought I would get with getting, healthier. Ayurveda just spoke nature to me, and it just made so much sense. And it was just so simple as well, because it's just about, it's just really about nature and being part of nature. And I think we've forgotten about that. I just go to the class and I'm being present, and I also, do way less than I used to do. And that works pretty well.